So this week's summary is basically it's aight. So tell me why. I don't know if I already said this in a video or not, but when I yap, and I posted my first YouTube video, so I infinite yap. These have to be lower than 3 minutes. That's not enough time for me to yap. So I have to get down to the main point early on. Okay. You're like, how the fuck do you have an intro in a short? That's why no one watches these. Anyways, so let me get back to what I was saying in the whole conclusion. So I did not trade this week at all, but I did do a lot of replay work. So what I was saying was I ended up accidentally doing replay work on the one I don't even fucking trade. I did it on, what is it? NDQ, like, I didn't even mean to do that. The US 100 index. It wasn't even the NASDAQ. It was the US 100 index. And I did 6 months of replay on that, trying to see the markets, how they work with patterns, and, how they react to different scenarios. And it was all for nothing. But I did kind of see, which chart patterns, I see. So if they're winning, I will come and post which ones they are. So this is the format setup: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And I just learned about actual formatting quarters. Like sue me, my school doesn't teach me about crypto. Because I was just doing season, but quarter 1 is January through March, blah, 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 blah. The rest I have written on there. And I'm choosing the one where it's like the normal month, not a transition month, because that could be, it's volatile, it's unpredictable. And so I'm going to do the normal, and then if it's FOMC day or CPI day, whatever, like a red flag day, I'm going to put it right on this part, and I'm going to make notes about which patterns work during these time period. My screen glitched for when I was doing that. Anyways, so then transition months also per that quarter. So I'm gonna have all my data in my cute little book that I got from the Dollar General. But that's the recap of this week. Also, I've been a lot more consistent on my YouTube channel, and I plan on being more consistent. I put out myself, I don't like to really edit. It's not my thing, and it takes up too much time. So I kind of speak and post. So I'm going to just keep it like that until I decide to change it, or I can afford Adobe or some shit like that.